Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new here, I'm Akila, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you 10 of my favorite ways that I style a silky square scarf. Now, it is both in my personal experience and opinion that I truly believe the headscarf is the most underrated and versatile accessory that you could possibly own. The scarf I'm going to be using today is this one, which is the Fabrizia scarf from my collaboration collection with Daphne Accessories. And yes, we will be shipping worldwide. So if you want to know when we launch, please let me know in the comment section so I can notify you as soon as we are live. So on that note, if you want to see my top 10 ways to style a silky square headscarf, keep watching. So that is it from me for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope that you learned something. As always, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Leave me some love in the comment section below because I always love to hear from you. And if you want to know when we drop these scarves online, yes, we are shipping worldwide, like I said before. Please let me know in the comment section as well so I can sign you up and let you know as soon as we are live. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.